Way to go! You made it to the end of the course, and we learned so much in this course. We started with a refresher on the financial statements and then connected our income statement and balance sheet together, allowing us to eventually build a basic 3-statement model with a statement of cash flows included as well. We then optimize our financial model with a proper structure as well as a table of contents to give our readers the understanding of how exactly to use our models. We went over color coding to showcase the importance of signaling which items can be edited and which are calculations. We also talked about creating a template tab, allowing you to be efficient and speedy with all of your financial modeling. But don't forget about the importance of an error check tab, where we could understand instantly anytime that we have a mistake in our financial model. We also touched upon how to create summary financial statements, where we could start at a macro level and then zoom in as needed. From there, we then built a full comprehensive financial model. Instead of just including projections, we also included actuals. That caused us to restructure our financial model so that our drivers tab pulled from the actuals and also showcased the projections which fed into our financial statements. And then finally, we roll forward our model with a new month of actuals, which contained new accounts on our income statement and our balance sheet. That allowed us to analyze how close we were on or off from what we thought would happen. You've done an amazing job making it this far in this course. But don't think that your journey ends here. In fact, it's really just beginning. After this course, think about revenue forecasting, which is ultimately one of the most important areas of a business model. Here, you'll get the opportunity to sync directly with the key stakeholders, like the CEO or management, to really dive deep and understand the business, focusing on inputs and how those drive your outputs. After you get to revenue forecasting, think about headcount forecasting, allowing you to understand how to reproduce the costs for the existing people on your team and how to factor in new people on the team and their projected costs across all different categories in your profit and loss. When you get familiar with headcount forecasting, you could also then forecast the rest of your P&L, which we did similarly in this course, but this time you can dive a lot deeper into different forecasting methods. And then finally, there's your balance sheet. This could be pretty tricky, but something tells me if you made it this far, you'll be able to do that as well. Balance sheet forecasting is super important because it allows us to then get our cash flow statement under accrual accounting. And once you have all that tied up, it's time to present your information with beautiful and stunning CFO dashboards. Now, at the time of this writing, it's February 1st, 2025, and I plan on making a course on each and every single topic that I just spoke about. Maybe the course already exists by the time you're watching it, or maybe you're watching it before it exists. Either way, when it goes live, I would love to see you there as well. And if you enjoyed this course, or if you have any helpful criticism, please do send me an email, josh@yourcfoguy.com. I promise to respond personally, and I can't wait to hear from you and see you in the next course.